Hello my friends, this short video is about a pattern that I've just published. It explains how to make binary socks like the ones over here. Why binary? Because the color pattern is based on a sequence of 2 stitches worked in one color and 2 stitches worked in the other color. There are 5 binary color patterns suggested in the sock pattern, so you can choose the one that you like best. Or use different patterns to make mismatched socks that look alike but are not exactly the same. The pattern is graded to 9 sizes to help you make these socks for everyone in your family. And the instructions are written out in simple, easy to follow steps with links to 14 tutorials that explain every knitting technique used in this project. And speaking of the techniques, I picked the ones that are the easiest out of all the similar methods that I could find. So this project is very much beginner friendly. The pattern is at tenrose.com/binary-socks. Head there, get the pattern and make your very own pair of one-of-a-kind binary